Is your kitchen floor looking a little tired or hard to maintain? Between spills, foot traffic, and the occasional dropped pot, your kitchen floor goes through a lot. But the good news is, with the right flooring, you can transform your kitchen into a stylish, easy to clean, and long-lasting space. In this video, we'll walk you through the most popular kitchen flooring options, explore their pros and cons, and share the best cleaning tips to keep your floor looking its best for years. Welcome to Kitchen to Entertain, where effortless entertaining begins. We believe that a well-kept kitchen sets the tone for joyful cooking, memorable gatherings, and smooth hosting. Whether you're planning a home upgrade or just curious about what flooring works best, you're in the right place. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment to let us know which flooring you're leaning toward, or if you've got a favorite cleaning trick to share. Let's start with one of the most durable options out there, tile flooring. Whether you choose ceramic or porcelain, tile is built to last. It stands up to water, heat, heavy foot traffic, and constant spills, making it ideal for busy kitchens. It also comes in a wide range of designs. So whether your style is sleek and modern or warm and traditional, you'll find a look that works. That said, tile does have a few downsides. It can feel cold and hard underfoot, which might make long cooking sessions a bit uncomfortable. Throw rugs in key areas can help with that. Another thing to watch out for is grout. It can trap dirt and stains over time, but with a good grout sealant and some regular scrubbing using a mild cleaner, you can keep it looking fresh and clean. Now, if you're after something more budget-friendly but still stylish, laminate flooring might be just what you need. Laminate gives you the look of hardwood or stone at a fraction of the cost. It's built with a durable top layer that resists scratches and stains, making it a great choice for households with kids, pets, or heavy foot traffic. Plus, it's easy to install, which can save you money on labor. However, it's not a fan of moisture. If water sits too long on laminate, it can cause the boards to warp or swell. To avoid that, clean up spills right away and use a slightly damp mop for routine cleaning. While laminate won't last as long as tile or hardwood, its low cost and attractive appearance make it a practical option for many homes. Speaking of comfort, one thing that can make a big difference in how your kitchen floor feels is a well-cushioned kitchen mat. For example, Dexy kitchen floor mats offer anti-fatigue support, which is great if you spend a lot of time cooking or prepping meals. Not only do they provide relief for your feet and back, but they also help protect your flooring in high-use areas. We've included a link in the description if you want to check them out. Now let's talk about hardwood flooring, a timeless option that brings natural beauty and warmth to any kitchen. Hardwood is a high-end choice that can significantly boost your home's value and, when maintained properly, can last for decades. It can even be refinished multiple times to restore its original charm. But hardwood does require more attention than other materials. It's vulnerable to moisture and scratches, so you'll need to wipe up spills quickly, avoid wet mopping, and use furniture pads to protect the surface. If you're concerned about humidity changes, engineered hardwood is a great alternative. It offers better resistance to moisture while still delivering that classic hardwood appeal. At this point, you might be wondering which flooring is the best for your kitchen. The answer really depends on your needs and lifestyle. If you prioritize durability and water resistance, tile is a clear winner. If affordability and quick installation are your top concerns, laminate offers an excellent balance of function and fashion. And if you're going for timeless beauty and long-term investment, hardwood, especially engineered hardwood, could be your perfect match. It's all about finding the right balance between style, practicality, and how much maintenance you're comfortable with. Of course, no matter which flooring you choose, regular cleaning is key to keeping it looking great. Clean floors don't just enhance appearance, they contribute to a healthier home and help your floors last longer. One of the most basic and important methods is mopping, but doing it the right way makes all the difference. Always start by sweeping or vacuuming to remove crumbs and debris. Then prepare a bucket with warm water and a bit of dish soap or a pH-neutral cleaner, depending on your floor type. When it comes to choosing a mop, it's good to know your options. Sponge mops are perfect for smooth surfaces but need frequent rinsing. String mops can hold more water, making them ideal for deeper cleaning, although they're a bit harder to wring out. If you're looking for a go-to mop for everyday use, flat mops with microfiber pads are excellent. They trap dirt without over-wetting your floors. Microfiber cloths are another tool that can elevate your cleaning routine. These cloths are designed with ultra-fine fibers that capture dust, dirt, and even bacteria more effectively than regular cloths. You can use them dry to quickly wipe down floors between moppings or slightly dampened to clean up sticky messes. Plus, they're reusable and eco-friendly, so you'll save money and reduce waste over time. While daily maintenance keeps your kitchen looking tidy, sometimes you need a deeper clean. Let's talk about two powerful yet safe methods for deep cleaning your kitchen floors, starting with steam cleaning. A steam mop uses high-temperature steam to break down grime, sanitize the surface, and remove tough stains, all without chemicals. It's a great choice for hard floors like tile, sealed hardwood, and vinyl. Just be sure your flooring is compatible with steam cleaning, since unsealed wood or porous stone can be damaged by the moisture. Look for a model with adjustable steam levels to ensure you're cleaning effectively without risking the finish. If you prefer a more natural and budget-conscious approach, vinegar is a fantastic cleaning solution. It's especially effective on vinyl, linoleum, and ceramic tile. To make your own vinegar cleaner, just mix a 1/4 cup of white vinegar with 1 gallon of warm water. For greasy floors, adding a few drops of dish soap can give it an extra boost. After mopping, rinse with clean water to avoid streaks. One important note: never use vinegar on natural stone surfaces like marble or granite, as the acidity can cause etching. If you find the smell a little strong, try adding a few drops of essential oil. Lemon or lavender both work beautifully. With the right flooring choice and a solid cleaning routine, both daily and deep, you can enjoy a kitchen that not only looks stunning, but also stands up to the demands of everyday life. Whether you're remodeling or simply rethinking your current space, knowing how to choose and care for your kitchen floors makes all the difference. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment sharing your favorite flooring tip or which material you're considering for your own kitchen. This is Kitchen to Entertain. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.